Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome and welcome back to Bake with Fumi. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I covered and decorated this cake using Swiss Meringue Buttercream, and I also used rice paper seal to decorate it. If you haven't seen my rice paper seal video tutorial, please check the description box for a link to the video, or you can click the eye icon above when it pops on the screen and it will take you straight to the video. So I had layered, trimmed and crumb coated my cake, and now I'm just adding the buttercream all around the cake. I use this piping bag method, or sometimes I use the palette knife method. Both method works great, so just do what you're comfortable with. When piping, try to pipe a very tight line, avoiding little gaps in between the lines. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, now is the right time to hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up and share this video so more people can see it and watch and learn from it. Now you're just going to keep piping your cake until you get to the top, and when you get to the top, at the edge you're going to pipe extra lines on top of it, and then you're going to pipe on top and then use your spatula to smoothen it out and making sure that it gets to the edge. Now I'm going to use my cake smoother to smoothen the buttercream all around the cake. What I missed here was I didn't use my palette knife to first smoothen buttercream onto the cake, and that caused bubble. So avoid that mistake. When you pipe your cream onto your cake, first go in with your palette knife and then smoothen with your cake smoother. So look out for any space that needs to be filled up. Just go in with your palette knife, or you can use your piping bag and just fill up those spaces, and then go again with your smoother and then smoothing the cake over again. Now I'm satisfied with the smoothness of the cake. I'm just going to pop it in the fridge and let it set for about 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes I'm going to get it out, and then I'm going to run a sharp knife over the edge just to have a sharp edge. Now the next thing is to decorate our cake. So I'm just going to add little buttercream onto the cake, and I'm doing like a brush stroke design. So the cake is very cold, so you have to work fast and just add cream and then use the brush to just brush over the cake. I'm using a silicone brush, so just brush over it to just have that brush effect. So because the cake is cold, when any extra cream you add on it will set fast, so that's why I said you should work fast and don't let the cream set quickly, and just brush immediately with your silicone brush to have the brush effects appear properly. I'm just cleaning the board, so I have a clean board, and then next thing I'm going to go in with some gold luster. I added little alcohol into the luster dust, into the gold luster, and then I just used like the brush to just spike on the brush stroke effect to make it pop. So now next thing, I'm going to arrange my gold fox balls around the cake and make it look pretty. And I'm also using some edible gold leaf to just add a little more decoration onto the cake. And then I'm adding the cake topper, which says 80 years loved and blessed. And then this is our rice paper seal that we made in the previous video. So if you haven't seen that video, just click the icon above and it will take you to the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this design. Let me know in the comment section if it looks pretty, if it looks beautiful, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now. Love you.